So if you're a new YouTuber or a small creator and you're trying to figure out how much money you can actually make from YouTube, and in today's video, I will be going over how much money I've made from being a monetized creator on YouTube for 6 months. So basically my first 180 days. Right now, at the time of filming this video, I have 3,000 subscribers. So I got monetized in February of this year, and I'll show you guys exactly the breakdown of every cent, every dollar that I've made on YouTube. Make sure you stick around to the end because it's kind of surprising looking back how much that I actually made. Before we get into that, let me just go over, so what does it take to get monetized on YouTube? To become a part of the YouTube Partner Program, the YouTube Creator Program, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. Now, when you're hearing that, and if you're new to the platform, you might be thinking like, okay, that's like a really high goal to reach. How am I ever gonna get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, especially if you're starting from zero? But I started my channel in January of 2023, and I got my first 1,000 subscribers after my first year, essentially. So I think it took me like 11 months to get to 1,000 subscribers. And right around that time, I literally had 4,000 watch hours. So they kind of coincide together. If you have 1,000 subscribers, more than likely, if you're consistently posting videos, you will have 4,000 watch hours as well too. So even if it seems like a big goal right now, just keep going towards it because you'll be able to do it. It's not impossible. Now I'll go over a little bit more of my specific journey with YouTube. So like I said before, I started my channel in January of 2023. And initially I posted about 1 to 3 times a week, but I'd be on and off. So like I remember in 2023, I'd have like a month or two where I was posting like maybe 2 or 3 times a week. And then I would take like a month off or even like a month and a half off. So I wasn't really consistent. And then starting this year of 2024, I started being really consistent. But yeah, even being inconsistent, I still reached 1,000 subscribers basically after a year. So you could do it even quicker, slower. If you guys have been following my channel, you'll know that I just moved into a content house here in LA. And one of my friends, Tanner, he goes by Tommy Noble on different platforms. He started his YouTube probably about 6 months ago, I want to say. And about a month ago, he had 250 subscribers. And we did a challenge. We were like, hey, we're going to post every day for 14 days. And literally at the end of the 14-day challenge, he had 1,000 subscribers because he had a video that hit like 7,000 views, but literally it didn't even take that much for people to start subscribing to him. So another little tip and tidbit for you guys, it's never been like this. Like right now on YouTube, this is the easiest time to post that it's ever been. Now, before I actually go on my computer and show you guys exactly the amount that I made, I want you guys to know that there are also a couple ways to make money on YouTube. A lot of people think that it's only AdSense, which is what I'm going to show you because most people just think that's the only way to get paid on YouTube. But once you have a certain audience base, you can do things like affiliate programs. So I'm an Amazon affiliate. I review a lot of supplements and different products on my YouTube. And I've made a good amount of money just by putting links of stuff that I already use in my YouTube channel, like descriptions, and people clicking on it, buying some products, and then I get a commission off of that. There's also things like brand deals. I haven't done a brand deal just yet. I kind of have something in the works right now, potentially, but you can make money from brand deals as well. Once you have an audience, companies want to hit you up and they want you to like promote their products. I personally haven't done that yet because for me to promote a product, I have to fully believe in it and I have to be like actually using it. And I haven't had a company hit me up yet that I feel like I really supported. I don't want to just shill some random product to my audience. So that's why I haven't. But there are multiple ways to make money on YouTube. Also, once you have an audience, you can do things like have a course, like do like some type of like coaching program or some type of cohort. I've seen people go many different routes. So there are many multiple streams of income you can have coming in from YouTube besides AdSense. Okay, now for the moment that you've all been waiting for, here's how much exactly I've made in my first 6 months, like 180 days of being a monetized creator on YouTube. Now, don't mind me, I'm gonna turn here because I have my laptop right here, but it should be screen recording, fingers crossed. But yeah, if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, you'll see that, yeah, this is my channel analytics. And this is the last 28 days of what I've made on YouTube. So it shows you like the breakdown. Like my videos have kind of been going up recently, thankful to you guys. But yeah, my last 28 days alone, I've made about $200 on YouTube. My views have gone up, watch times like 2,000 hours. So another thing about YouTube is there's something called RPM. Let me see if I'll go over to the revenue section. There's something called RPM, which down here shows you basically what your revenue is for every 1,000 views. So right now my RPM is about $4 every 1,000 views. So that means every 1,000 views that people watch my videos, I get about $4 for it. So again, nothing crazy, but it all does add up to something. So yeah, this is my last 28 days, $228, 33 cents. And yeah, if we scroll down over here, it shows you that, like look, Friday, August 9th, 2024, that was my highest paid day ever on YouTube. It's when I had like a video that I posted, I think kind of go up or one of these. And I made $12.52. So that's like kind of mind blowing to me. Like in one day, you can make like $10 a day on YouTube. That was always my goal since the beginning. The fact that we're kind of getting there now is cool. So over here shows like my last 6 months. So in August, right now, I've made $101. Last month in July was my highest paid month. I made $167.17. In June, I made $106.99. In May, I made $84.18. April, I made $88.28. And in March, I did $116.22. And one of the basically the main way that people make money on YouTube is watch paid ads. So it's basically every cent that I've made on YouTube has been from watch page ads. You can also have things like memberships where people like pay you like $5 a month to be a part of like your YouTube membership thing. But I personally don't do that. So not yet, maybe later. I don't know. If you guys want that, comment down below. But let's go up here. I'm actually going to zoom out and show you guys my whole last 365 days, which is literally just my lifetime of being on YouTube. So look, you'll see literally right around January 28th was my first monetized day. So almost 6 months exactly. I thought it was February 1st, but it's actually January 28th. But yeah, I started YouTube in January of 2023. And it literally took me to January of 2024 to start being monetized. So that also goes to show you guys, like, if you want this, if you want to make it work, you got to be in it for the long run. I know so many people will come on here and like try to like go viral or, like make all this money off the rip, but people can sense when you're not being authentic. And if you actually love it, you'll do it without making any money. So, but yeah, this is like I'll go to lifetime just to make it easier. But yeah, the lifetime of my channel, again, January 28th was my first monetized day. And you'll see in the beginning, in February, I was making like $1 a day. I have like some $4.94, $5 days. And it kind of just goes up and down for a little bit. Yeah, making anywhere from like $1 to $5 in February. March was kind of the same thing. You can see here, March 18th, March 19th, $5 a day. And yeah, I kind of hovered basically in the whole time that I've been monetized. I've been hovering around making $1 to $5 a day on YouTube. But just recently, the channel has been going up a little bit more. Again, nothing crazy, but I've been making like, $9 a day, $7 a day, $8 a day, $10 a day. So we'll see if it keeps going up, hopefully the channel keeps growing and that number will go higher and higher. But it's also interesting because down here, you'll see that in my lifetime video performance, my RPM is actually like only about $2. So whereas in my last 28 days, it was, remember you guys saw it before, it was $4 RPM. For the length of my channel, it's only been about $2. So for every 1,000 views I'd only make like about $2 per 1,000 views. And I know people that are like in the finance space or like the tech space, their RPMs are like $10. Like every 1,000 views, they'll get $10, more than double what I get. So depending on what your niche is on YouTube, you can make some really good money. Like even if my RPM was like $10, instead of my lifetime money being $758, it'd be like probably nearer to like $2,000. So there is money to be made in YouTube. I want you guys to know that you can do it. I believe in you guys. I'm such an advocate for starting a YouTube channel because besides going viral or trying to make money off of it, of course, these are things that you probably want if you're watching this video, but it's just such a great way to attract people to you that have similar interests that you do, to find your community. I've met some people through YouTube already. And also when you do YouTube, like, again, I live in this content house, so I have some friends in here that are also YouTubers. It's fun to like just inspire or motivate each other, come up with video ideas together and just like work together towards a certain goal. So that's really dope. If you guys did like today's video, if it was helpful in any way, shape, or form, comment down below. If you guys are starting a channel, you can comment down below if you're like a small channel, and I'll try to help you out if I can. And we can just help each other out in the comments. If you guys like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. because that really helps the channel. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, because I will be posting an update to this video probably after my first year on YouTube and show you guys exactly how much I made in my first year. So if this video resonated with you, check out this video about why starting a YouTube channel is a brilliant idea, even if nobody watches it. I love you guys, and I'll speak with you soon. I'll see you tomorrow.